Good evening everyone. Today I am going to discuss about sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Then what is mean by sexual reproduction? Sexual reproduction nothing but two gametes. Nothing but both male and female gametes are both male and female gametes are involved in the formation of a offspring is called as an sexual reproduction. Flowering plants nothing but you people are know that is angiosperm. Next, structure of flower. Flower is very important for the evolution. Then the flower consists of petals, sepals. These are called as accessory orals. Then essential orals are both androecium and gynoecium. Here androecium consists of stamens. Stamens nothing but both anther and filament is called as an stamens. Okay, they are called as a male reproductive organ, that is androecium, and gynoecium nothing but a female reproductive organ, style, stigma, ovary. Okay, that is a female reproductive organ. This is all about a structure of a flower. Then next we are going to discuss about microsporogenesis. Microsporogenesis nothing but the process of formation of microspore from microspore mother cell is called as an microsporogenesis. Okay. Then structure of a stamen. The stamen is consist of a stalk and anther together is called as a stamen. It is a male reproductive organ. Then when we observe a anther, it is a bilobed structure. Each lobe consists of two theca. This is a bilobed structure. Each lobe consists of two thecas. Okay, hence it is called as a dithecous in nature. Then transverse section of an anther. Anther is four-sided structure, tetragonal, hence we called as a tetragonal, consists of a microsporangia. In plural form we called as an microsporangia. In singular form we called as an microsporangium. Okay. This microsporangia further develops, then it is called as a pollen sacs. Okay, now this microsporangium is a singular form. Then each microsporangium consists of epidermis, endothecium, middle layer, then tapetum. Okay. Then microsporangium consists of sporogenous cells. These sporogenous cells undergo mitotic division, then form into a pollen mother cell. These pollen mother cell undergo meiotic division, then form into a pollen tetrad. Then what is the role of layers of microsporangium? First layer is called as an epidermis. Epidermis is the outermost layer and it is a single layer and it develops fibrous bands of thickenings known as exosporium. Sometime what happened, this epidermis is a single layer. Sometimes there is a development of a fibrous bands of thickenings. They are known as a exosporium. It is usually persistent. Epidermis is usually persistent, rarely disappear during the development of a anther. Then epidermis develops a fibrous bands of thickenings. In the plant name is arcethobium. Next, second layer is called as an endothecium. Endothecium also single layer. It develops a fibrous bands of thickenings at the time of a anther dehiscence. What happened? It receives a signal from the tapetum. When tapetum stops the nourishing the developing pollen grains, it sends a signal to the endothecium to formation of a fibrous bands of thickenings. Then after endothecium, there is a presence of a middle layer. It is a third outermost layer. It may be single or multi-layer. They are not persistent during enlargement of a antherlochal. When antherlochal development will be takes place when it going to enlarge. These middle layers will be crushed, and these middle layers will be crushed and used in the development of a sporogenous tissue. These crushed middle layer nutrition is used for the development of a sporogenous tissue. Next, tapetum. Tapetum, you know about it, is the innermost layer. It nourishes the developing pollen grains. Yes, of course, tapetum help for the nourishes the developing pollen grains. It sends signal to the endothecium to form a fibrous bands of thickening softer stopper nourishing, and also it form a ubish bodies and pollen kit, and also it form a callus wall. In the case of a tetrad, this is called what a pollen tetrad. Then there is a wall formation that is called what a callus wall. This callus wall formed by the tapetum and also microspore, and this callus wall is made up of a beta 1 comma 3 glucon. Then what happened after this callus wall formation? The tapetum secrete a callus enzyme. It help for the breakdown of this callus wall. Then microspores become free. This is all about a microsporogenesis. Thank you.